Hi guys! It's my first trip na in 2025. We're going to Dubai. Parang hindi ako pilay. Pinilit lang kahit pilay dahil nadulas ako sa banyo nung Chinese New Year. Andito pa lang kami sa airport ng Naiya kasi palo yung sasakyan namin. Mamaya we're going to Dubai. See you, Dubai. Hi, we're here in Dubai. Yun nga palang trip na to is bigay ng trip incentive ng Tagchem sa amin. So, eto, ang dami namin, mahigit 100. Eto na naman yung aking mga magagandang mga kasama. At doon, iba-ibang lugar yun. O, diba? Iba-ibang lugar. Quezon, Visayas, Mindanao kasama. Actually, it's already 7 p.m. here. Sa atin mga 10:30 or 11. So already 11 sa Pilipinas. Okay, mamaya uli. Ito yung aming hotel. Punta na kami sa room. Mahirap yung pilay. Ay, ang lapit natin. Thank you so much. At least, madali kami. Hindi mahihirapan. Okay, this is our room. Bongacious. Ito yung room namin, Ikar. Hindi pa magulo kasi. Dear Carolina.
Ay, naku po. Salamat po. Maayos.
Ay, magkatabi kamay ah.
Saan ka tigage?
Right dyan. Okay lang ako. Siyempre, yung malapit sa banyo.
Malapit ka?
CR. Ito yung CR namin. May bathtub. Ay, salamat naman. Dinadala-dala na pinobrema ko pa yung shampoo.
Ay, meron ba?
Meron. Social nga. Good morning! It's our second day here in Dubai. Gabi, hindi na sobrang pagod. Maga pa rin yung paa ko sa tagal ng pagkakasuot ng rubber shoes. Siguro, dahil nga nadulas ako. Well, tapos na kaming mag-breakfast. Hindi ko na kinunan kasi or on tinapay lang naman yung nandun. So, ngayon, maglilibot kami sa parang city tour. We'll go to the New Dubai sa Burj Arab. Al-Arab yata pangalan. So, mamaya uli
Right inside we have Dubai frame. Like tomorrow we will take photo stop there as well. Dubai frame. If you look at the frame, it's look like in golden color, and people think that it's gold plated. Okay, but it's not. It's just made up of a gold color like crystals. Okay, it's not like 22 karat or any karat like gold plated. And the height of that frame is around 150 meter, and the width is around 95 meter. This is like we have small shops there as well, and we have multimedia like videos, so you will enjoy the history of UAE, and when you take exit you will enjoy the future of the place. And this are for kids. Like here we have different parks as well, like Dinosaurs Park, Lightning Street, Hot Street, Snow Park, Magic Park also. And it was opened in 1979 and it was the first tallest tower of UAE also. If you look there in white color, it's a film of Sheikh Zayed. Now we are on Sheikh Zayed Road as well. You know, Sheikh Zayed Road is also a world famous road because here you can find world tallest skyscrapers, world largest mall, world largest buildings on Sheikh Zayed Road here in Dubai. Like the length of that road is around 558 kilometer. You will know the future of Dubai. How Dubai looks like in next 50 years. How Dubai looks like in 2072. What kind of changes they are going to do in future, like in healthcare sector, in education sector, in infrastructures also, and in public transportation. As you know, we have also plan of flying cars here in next year in 2025. So they are already done experiment for the flying cars, and now they are like constructing the stations for the flying cars as well. So we have planned for launching flying cars in next year in 2025. So if you go inside the Museum of the Future, you will know the future of Dubai. Like this building has 7 floors, okay, and in each floor we have different theme, and the height of that building is 77 meter. Okay, and if you look at the building, there is Arabic word written there on the building, which is the quotation of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, like the king of Dubai and vice president and prime minister of UAE. And the meaning of that like quotation is like future cannot wait. And then we have DNAs of different species and animals, and we have relaxing room as well. We have innovation center like where you will saw the electric cars and robotic technologies like they are going to use in future also. And like we have a best place for taking photos there as well. But now we are taking a photos from the outside. Okay, we will take a group photo and then we will take a single photos, and we will take a 15-minute.
Oh, here. Bus 1, bus 2, bus 3. Ay, sorry. Gusto, tatawag na tayo. Ganda ng weather.
Pinipindot ba yan?
Ah. Ganda ng weather.
Ganda nga, lamig.
Ang lamig.
Last time na punta rito, na
Oo,
nagpunta kami
oo,
mainit
ang
eh.
saya. Super lamig. Dito daw magandang mag-picture.
Ay, picture tayo.
The view from of a Burj Khalifa or downtown from your rooms. So that's the best place like for living. So it's coming on our left hand side. It's a twin tower there. Yeah, it's a JW Marriott Marquis. It's a 5-star hotel. It's just on our left hand side and the twin tower. And now we are crossing a lake. You can see your left and right hand side. We are crossing a lake. It's a man-made lake. It's a man-made. It's not a natural. Okay, and the length of that lake it's 6.5 kilometer. Okay, it's a man-made. Yeah, like we have Dubai beaches on Jumeirah Road. The first one is Lamir Beach. Lamir, like it's a private beach open for families. Okay, and if you want to enjoy water activities like scuba diving, jet ski like that, and others are written there in Guinness World Records as well. You can search there if you want. So their names first 10%. Those who are the first 10, their names written there in Guinness World Record, and after that they close that cocktail. Like they didn't sell there anymore. But now we have gold coffee. Like you can say this, they offer you coffee with gold color coffee powder. Okay, so if you want, you can enjoy coffee there. You can enjoy breakfast, lunch, and dinner there as well, and you can book a tour there if you want to visit there. Okay, a 60-meter bridge that connect man-made islands to
Is the Bulls Al Arab, the only 7-star hotel in the world.
Ninang Bele. Dito, sumama na lang tayo.
Picture lang.
Ayun, si ano na lang, si Dennis. Mga lubat na kami.
Mga gustong mag-picture. Yung Bulls Al Arab here. The only 7-star hotel here in the world. The whole world. We're here.
of this island trunk. Okay, then we have leaves, and the total number of leaves are 70, and we can call also like the front of a palm tree, front. And on front we have villas, like private villas. On the trunk, on the main road, we have 4-5-star hotels, residential apartments also. Okay, and they monitor like the shape of this island through satellite as well. Okay, so now we have like a different tourist attractions here on this island. Like the first one.
Hello.
Talaga mo walang pain yung kanyang ano ah.
Kalau gak pernah para musuh lang nato. Sa parada niya.
Sorry. Picture tayo, picture.
Dali, picture na lang tayo. Dali.
Ninang, dito po kaya sa gitna para makuha.
And protects the inner elements of the man-made island. Inside water depth is 20 meters, while outside of the Great Wall, the water depth is 30 meters.
Nako, lulubog ka dyan ate. May ano yan? May law of gravitational force. Hawak ate ha.
Introducing continuous vibrations, nanoconduction, very high.
Kahit dagat na dagat ano. Ginawa nilang city no. May plano pa sila. Ganyan ang mga ako nila.
Iwan kami.
Pala ito, kali mo na kaliyan. Ito na pala
这个热气球没意思，没高度。
就那么高。
就那么高。
Thank